Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Git branch. Now let's see what are the topic we are going to cover in this video. So first we are going to list all the branches. Next we are going to create one new branch. Then we are going to switch to that new branch. Then we are going to rename the branch, and finally we are going to delete the branch. Let's check the Git status. So Git status, and this is clean working directory. So now I'm going to check the branches. Git branch, I have only one branch, and star is in master. Now here we are going to check all the branches. So git branch -a to see any remote branch available. So now we are going to create one new branch. So git branch and new underscore branch. So new branch has been created. Let's check it. And here we have two branches, master and new branch. Now let's check out to new branch. So we'll git checkout new branch, and here you can see from master we are now in new branch. So let's check the branch again, and here you can see star is now pointing to the new branch. Now let's see the git log. So git log, one line, and enter, and here we can see we have new branch and master, and both of them are pointing to same commit ID. Now let's switch back to the master branch. So git checkout master, and in order to rename the branch, let me first list all the branch name here. So git branch -a, and now I'm going to rename the branch. So git branch -m and new branch, and this is the older and new name. So I wanted to rename it from new underscore branch to new one. Let's check the branches, and here we can see earlier we had new branch, now it's new one. Now finally we are going to delete the branch, and for that we have to use git branch -d and new underscore one. Now let's check the branch again, and here we can see we have only one branch now, that is master. So thank you for watching.